Aha. Functional relationship between advertising and sales. You're over here? Yep. What's that? Exploratory, causal, or descriptive? Causal? Perfect. Let's do it. Let's draw the picture, because you really, we need to do it sometime anyway, because it's so easy. I hope I'm not boring you when I do this stuff, but yeah. All right, so let's get some light on. Let me turn my light off. That'll work. I don't think it's helped that much. I'll turn them off in a moment. So we've done it, okay? The relationship between, how would we get Excel to draw something like this? An XY plot. That is advertising, sales. What would be the first thing we do in Microsoft Excel? I hope I'm not boring you, because you know, young people are often way better with computers than guys like me. But the first thing we would do to get an XY plot that looks like this. Okay, those looks indicate to me that maybe I am teaching you something here, which is pretty good. Okay, monthly advertising. Okay, so we get for a 2-year period, let's say. So we get 24 cells, 24 rows down here, 2-year period. And in month 1, $30,000. In month 2, $25,000. Month 3, $20,000. Month 4, $40,000. Month 5, $45,000. 30, 21, 28, whatever. Now remember that we had, just for clarity, I'd spoken about seasonally adjusted. You know, you've got to keep in mind seasonally adjusted sales, which makes it all that more messy. But anyway, further in discussion of question 11A, first thing we would do, one column of monthly advertising. What would be the next column? Monthly sales. Sweet. $500,000. $450,000. $450,000. 40,000. $550,000. Yeah, you know where we're headed. Okay. Fine. Excel. It's easy. It's a slave package. It'll do it for us. No problems at all. Next job in Excel. Surely you know this. If you don't, that's fine. It's what we're here for. Highlight. I'll just do this. Highlight it, including your titles. Highlight it, and then what do? Right click. I think. Chart. Or highlight it. Maybe it's not right click. Maybe it's go up to the top there and do chart. And then XY scatter. Sweet. How easy is that? Watch. Let's do it. Let's show how clever we all really are. Okay, I'll do it up here. Let's go in. Yeah, nice. And then put up a new screen. It's worth doing, because you need to do this sometime. Get a new file going. Okay, what are those numbers? Hang on, I'll write this. Advertising, sales. All right, throw some numbers at me. 30? Yeah. Okay, just shout it down the rows. 30, 35, 20, 40. Any more? 45. Right, okay. Sales data? 500, 450, 450, 400, 450, yep, 550, and what was my last number? 600. Nothing? Nothing there. Okay. All right, look. As easy as this. Watch. Highlight, insert, chart, lovely, XY scatter, beautiful chart subtype. Do we want lines in it? No. Looks like crap. We'll do this. Next, hit that button. Oh! Oh my goodness, how nice is that? Put some titles on it. Yeah, how good. Advertising. Advertising. Lovely. Sales. Lovely. Take that off, this is rubbish. Take the legend off. Take the legend off, no problems. Finish. Wow! Look at that, there's our data. Tidy this up. Lovely. Format axis. Take it down to scale minimum 20. Take all that crap off on the left-hand side. Whoa! Look at that. Take out the. Take out that. Take out that. Oh! Look at that. Wow! Are we clever? We've described the functional relationship. I know it's only make-believe data, but we've described the functional relationship between advertising and sales, like that. Think of that. You measure satisfaction and recommendation. You measure age bracket and disposable income. You measure, any of that stuff. Look, we've just done it. How easy is that? Oh, let's show you how clever we really are. Let's do a linear regression. Let's right-click on one of those dots and draw a line through it, okay? And get an equation for it. How cool is this? This is causal research. Okay, easy. Here's our stuff. Right-click. Add trend line. Says, oh, what do you want? Linear or do you want a curve? No, let's not be too clever. Linear, and let's put an R squared in, which I'll talk to you about sometime later. Display the equation on the chart. Oh, look at that. So there we go. We've now got a line of best fit for advertising versus sales for this make-believe. R squared. An R squared equals 1 means you're fantastic and those dots are right on the line. An R squared of 0.43 is really pretty good too. And so that shows that the line fits pretty well, and it shows that for every $1,000 of advertising, we get an increase. The model says we get an increase of $3,700 of sales. That's what that says. It says if we don't spend any money on advertising at all, we still get $370,000 worth of sales. That's, as I said, my fantastic PhD supervisor got a PhD back in the 1970s for doing something sort of like this. And you guys are in a position to do it right now, right here. So anyway, that's the beauty of that can be exciting, can't it? You can collect this data, you can draw stuff like that. You can do real market research project stuff, which I think's